Hi guys, welcome back. Guys, this reading is going to be for my Scorpio. So we will see what's coming up for you in your love life, Scorpios. You could be a cross watcher too. So if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energies and reverse the roles as it suits you, okay? So this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. And please keep in mind guys that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you, okay? So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. All right, so we'll see what is your person thinking about you, Scorpio. All right, so let's see what is your person thinking about you, Scorpio. What are they thinking about you? Okay, this person is crazy for you. This person is somebody who has lot of emotions for you. This is somebody who wants to have you in their life. You bring lot of peace to this person with the Nine of Cups and Magician. You are the wish fulfillment. This is somebody who is manifesting you. This is somebody who wants you in their life. This is somebody who feels that when they are with you, they feel home. Okay, this is like your person is somebody who feels that you are their peace. You bring lot of prosperity and happiness in their life. You could be their lucky charm. You could be someone that they may have met after many failed relationships in the past. Okay, you see Nine of Cups, you see this girl over here. You see the way she's thinking about you. This could be a man too, but this is somebody who's thinking about you. They keep dreaming about you. Okay, I feel that you're dealing with somebody who has immense love for you, Scorpio. Maybe at this point in time, your person is trying to balance the situation. Maybe they have too many things that's going on in their life at this moment. So this person is trying to balance the situation. So maybe they are going through some things in their life and they are trying to balance you with somebody else. Could be career for some of you. Okay, maybe this person is overloaded with work at this moment, or they may have many things that they are involved in at this moment, because of which maybe you are not their priority at this moment. It's like you are their priority, I won't deny it, but then they are stuck somewhere else too. So this is somebody who is trying to balance two things at this time. So could be you and career. Okay, so let's see what else. Yeah, see, right when I said two things, Two of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. Okay, so I think your person is, this has also come, so I'll take it. See, your person is somebody who has made up their mind. Like this person had options. See, we have the Seven of Cups here, Two of Pentacles. I thought this is career, but this is not career. It means that this person had options. This person had not just two, maybe 4 or 5 people in their life, at least 3 people. They were confused earlier, but not anymore. Okay, this person has chosen you, Scorpios. All right, this person has chosen you. See, this person had options, they have chosen you. We have the Five of Wands here. Maybe there are too many people involved at this moment. This person is being influenced by somebody else too. This is somebody who wants to come and offer you this cup. Okay, this is somebody who wants to say sorry. This is somebody who wants to work on this connection. Maybe they messed it up, but this is somebody who wants to redo things with you. Okay, this is somebody who wants to bring peace in this connection. They have been thinking about you. For some of you, maybe there was some conflict between both of you with the Five of Wands here. This is somebody who may have realized that they have hurt you, and which is why that this person is coming back to apologize. Or this is somebody who wants to invest in this connection. This is somebody who feels the loss. They feel that their life is not complete without you, Scorpios. Okay, so they have love for you. They have love for you. Maybe you're dealing with somebody, because see, we have the Ace of Swords here, Knight of Cups. For some of you, maybe you're dealing with somebody who is very immature. They have done some mistakes in the past, okay, intentionally, unintentionally. So whatever it is, I don't see any negative thing here. I just see that this person has love for you, Scorpios, okay. This person has love for you. They want to work on this connection, and things are going to get better in this connection, okay. Things will get better. So let's see, what do you want? We'll see your energy right now, Scorpios. See, we have the Judgment here. Okay, all three cards together, so I'll take all three. We have the Judgment, Ace of Swords and Three of Cups. I have Two of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. So this means that some of you want to start this connection with this person. It's like you want this person, you want things to go smoothly, but somehow I see you are stuck in some situation, Scorpio. I feel that you are stuck somewhere, okay. It is like you don't know whether you both are compatible or not with each other, okay. Compatibility is an issue, okay. Some of you, I see Three of Cups. Maybe you are somebody who you could be in some other relationship, Scorpio. Three of Cups is by your side. Maybe you are involved somewhere else. For some of you else, maybe you are married, maybe you are stuck in a dead relationship, Scorpio, and you don't know the way forward with this person. Maybe you have to make a judgment, Scorpio. Like, could be that you are stuck between two people, Scorpio. I don't know. In this reading, I feel that it's both of you. Like, in some cases this person is stuck with other people, and in some cases it's you. This person is sure for you, Scorpio. This is somebody who is very sure about you, but maybe you are not sure. Some of you, I feel that it's you, Scorpios, who is stuck somewhere else, and you don't know who to choose. You are confused because of this person. You're confused, like, should you go forward with this person or should you choose somebody else, okay. So that is what I see. Some of you, I feel that you are praying to God. It's like you really want clarity. You don't know what to do. You're very much stuck. Ace of Swords in reverse is, maybe some of you, you're scared of some things. Maybe you don't want some things to come out in the open, Scorpios. Maybe you're hiding. Some of you, maybe it's not for all, but for some of you this is a message. Maybe you're hiding something, Scorpio, and you don't want this to come into light, or you don't want this person to know some things about you, okay. Now this is for very few of you, not all of you. All right, so we'll see what else, Scorpios. See, it's like you are confused. It's like you don't know whether to choose this person or not. Like, you don't know whether should you invest on this person or not. So let's see what happened with you in the past, okay. We'll see what happened in the past with you. What did this person do to you? So we have the Ten of Pentacles and Seven of Pentacles. This says that this is somebody who didn't invest enough in this connection in the past, okay. You felt that it was a one-sided connection. You felt that it's you who is doing all the work, okay. With the Seven of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles, you felt that it's you who does all the work. It's you who chase them. It's you who call them. It's you who message them. And this is somebody who may have tried to shoo you away in the past, okay. And you felt left out, which is why I think now you're not very sure about this person. See, this is why you have come to this place where you don't trust this person anymore, or you don't know whether is this the one for you or not, okay. Because this is somebody who didn't invest, or who may have left you. For some of you, this is somebody who may have left you out all of a sudden, okay. And you feel you felt that you didn't deserve that. All right, so maybe I think you have love, okay. I do see that you have love, but you don't see the potential in this connection, okay, Scorpios. So let's see, what do you want? We'll see what do you want here with this person. See, you're not very sure. Knight of Pentacles and King of Cups. You're not very sure. You have love, but you don't know whether is this the one or not. It's like you can't trust them, or you're trying to secretly judge this person. Scorpio, some of you, you're trying to judge this person because you see, we have the Temperance here. If you see this woman, she has one eye closed and one eye open. This person is secretly trying to judge the other person, okay? So maybe you are secretly trying to judge the other person, whether how reliable they are, or whether how honest they are, or how consistent they have been in this connection. So you are trying to rethink, like you're trying to connect all the dots and then come to a conclusion before you choose this person, Scorpio, okay? Some of you, you see this person as being married, like maybe this, you're dealing with somebody who is already married, and that is also one thing that's bothering you. You don't know whether to go forward with this person or not, okay? So that is one thing. Yeah, communication, 8 of Wands. I see communication, like there is going to be a lot of heart to heart conversations between both of you. And if you both are not in touch, then definitely you are going to come back together, okay? 8 of Wands clearly says that you both are going to come back together. Now this, for most of you, I feel this is you who may land up calling this person or messaging them or something like this. For some of you, this could be this person also, because they are manifesting you. So, but I don't know, for most of you, I feel that you are going to call and message this person, okay, with the 8 of Wands here. So let's see. What message do we have from Romance Angel deck? We'll see if we have any message from this deck. See, express your love. Oh my God, heart to heart. You know what's the problem here, Scorpio? The problem is that you both are not talking to each other. It's like maybe you both have ego problems. I don't know what it is, but different for different of you. But you're being asked to express your love. You know, sometimes universe will bring somebody in your life. That person will be the right person for you, but we people, we spoil it. So you are being asked not to spoil this connection. Express. If you have love, go forward, talk to this person. Don't keep things to your heart, because otherwise you may lose out on a good connection, okay? The second is heart to heart conversations. You know what is required is you both should spend a lot of time with each other, Scorpios, okay? Religious factor. Some of you, maybe your love life is being influenced by religious upbringing and spiritual path. Maybe there is this distance between both of you. Maybe this could be status difference, this could be age difference, this could be religious difference, whatever it is, but that is also influencing this connection. So whatever it is, you are being asked to invest. Don't just spoil a good connection. This is for you and this other person too. So if possible, if you really have love, go forward and talk to this person, because sometimes, you know, we don't talk and we lose a good connection, and 10 years later either they will regret losing you or you will regret losing them. So if you don't want to be in that place, you're being asked to put efforts, okay? Don't miss on this connection. Could be that, you know, with the 2 of Pentacles and 7 of Cups, this person was confused. See, this is somebody who had choices. I told you in the past, this person had choices. They were stuck between 2 people, 2 of Pentacles. In some cases, there were 3 to 4 people also. So this person was stuck, but I think this person has chosen you. Alright, and it is like you are the wish fulfillment. They may have options, but you are the one who completes them. You are the one they are divinely guided to. You are the one their heart connects to. Okay, so this is something that they have realized. So this is somebody who wants you, Scorpio. Now you both will have to put efforts and see where it goes, okay? Yeah. So we'll see what love messages do we have for you here. Let's see what does this person feel for you. We'll see love messages, okay? Yeah. See, the first card is I can't face you now. Oh my God. This person is ashamed ashamed. They don't know how to come forward and face you. They have definitely done things that may have hurt you, Scorpio. I said this person may have tried some other relationships over you, and now they regret. They feel, how do I face my Scorpio? This is what they feel. They feel ashamed to face you now, because they know that in some cases this person knows that maybe you know everything. Okay, so they are scared to face you now, Scorpios. But whatever it is, this is somebody who is cute. I mean, I won't say this is a bad person. Okay, I'm sorry for pushing you away in the past. See, oh my god, I think this person may have pushed you. For some of you, this person pushed you away for somebody else. See, this person pushed you away and now they regret. Alright, it happens, Scorpios. Sometimes, you know what happens, you choose a wrong person and you realize that you have chosen the wrong person after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years too, in some cases, because the other person will cheat on them one day, and that's when they will realize that they lost a Scorpio who was genuine, who was loyal, because they chose somebody else. So sometimes it does happen that a person regrets for the choice that they may have made in the past. So I don't know, see, this is somebody who is sorry for pushing you away in the past. So definitely this person has hurt you. I said with the 7 of Pentacles, there was not an equal give and take, and I think you guys are tired. You feel that it cannot go like this. I feel that you are somebody, if you don't see this person investing in this connection, you will back out. And good, if you feel you want to move on, you should definitely do that. Okay, there is no point in staying with somebody who doesn't value you, Scorpios. Okay, if somebody doesn't value you, move on. There is no, you know, it's always better to be with a right person rather than being with a wrong person. Okay, so whatever they did to you, it's karma. Whatever they did to you, the same thing will be done to this person by somebody else in the future, and this person will realize and regret then. So maybe the time is not right. Okay, for some, I don't see them going through the karma cleansing process right now, but if this person continues being here, maybe they will in the future. Okay, because this is how the circle of life goes. You get what you give. If this person didn't treat you right, the same thing will happen to this person in the future. Okay, so that is why this person has come in this position where they can't face you now. This person feels sorry for pushing you away in the past. Okay, yeah, I want to protect you in every way. See, you know what, Scorpios, I feel that this is somebody, I said, this is somebody who is innocent. They may have a childlike nature. Age doesn't really matter. This could be a 50-year-old or a 20 years old, but they have a childlike nature. It's like they're fickle minded. Okay, this is somebody who is very possessive and protective about you. So they want to protect you and they are very possessive about you. All right, yeah, see, I've got one more message. Let's see, what do we have? This is, I hate you to see you close to him or her. See, for some of you, maybe you already have found somebody new. Okay, you may have somebody else in your life and this person knows that. Maybe they know that you're connecting with somebody. They know that you're falling in love with somebody and they can't see it. They can't bear you with anybody else, Scorpio. Okay, so this is somebody who is very possessive about you too. Alright, so some of you, I feel that God has already sent you an option and you are trying to know that person. Okay, so that is this. Alright, so that was that, my Scorpios. Choose the right one. If you have options, choose the right one. Don't make a hasty decision. Alright, choose the one who is genuine, choose the one who is loyal, choose the one who your heart calls for. I always believe that your heart will never make mistakes. So choose the one that your heart says, okay, because heart never makes mistakes. All right, so if you feel drawn to somebody and you feel that your heart is stuck on that person, then that is the person for you, Scorpios. Maybe God is trying, I always believe that God tries to guide us through our heart. So follow your heart. Don't follow anybody else, okay? If your heart says this is the one, it means that is the one for you. So now you see who your heart is guiding you for, because it's a general reading. It's going to be different for different of you. All right, so that was that, my Scorpios. I really hope this helps and resonates. Thank you so much for watching. If you want a personal reading to know the outcome specifically for you, you can always get in touch with me. All my details are mentioned below. And thank you so much, you guys. Take care, be safe, bye.